Today I have a story about my favorite animal. Let's see if you can guess what it is. It's an animal that has feathers and a beak, and some of them can fly and some of them can't fly, but they can swim in water. It's a bird. So this book is called Birds, and it's by Kevin Hanks, and it's illustrated by Laura Dronzek. And so I'm going to read this one to you today. Birds. Birds. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. This is called their silhouette. Birds can be big or small or any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move, and they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. So pretty. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. Wonder where they go. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. La 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 la. I hope you see some birds today if you go outside to play.